It's raining Cappies! Yay! Goliath! Oh my gosh. What in the world? We got 3 just random big packages here. And I honestly don't know what this could possibly be. I have not ordered anything this big. What is this? Okay, oh my gosh, looking at this, it says it is from Freeze Tag, from Rob Vardaman. Oh my gosh, this is, you guys, these are from Munzee. I did not order anything from Munzee. We got 1. We've got 2. We've got 3. So these are actually, it's not that heavy, it's like medium heavy. And so I honestly do not know what Rob, the president of Munzee, the location-based game Munzee, actually sent me. So I'm actually excited to open this up. Are you curious? Are you curious? I'm very curious. I gotta get a knife. This is heavily taped. Oh my gosh. Look. It's a box absolutely chock full of Cappy the Unicorn plushies. Cappy the Unicorn is the mascot of Munzee. And I don't have 1, I don't have 2, but I have 3 huge boxes filled with Cappies. It's raining Cappies. Yay! Goliath. Yay! It's raining Cappies. Hallelujah. It's raining Cappies. Hallelujah. Oh. Oh. Here it is, Cappy the Unicorn. I have 180 of them, Goliath. They're not yours. And I know where I got these. So I was joking with Rob Vardaman, the president of Munzee. I said, wouldn't it be hilarious if I could just fill my claw machine 100% with just Cappy the Unicorns? Because I have a full-size claw machine in my office. And I was just joking, and he must have really liked that idea. So one thing I know for sure is I'm gonna fill my claw machine up with a bunch of Cappies, and then I've got to decide what to do with all these. All right, I just completely emptied out the claw machine and put all the plush in the bags. And now we gotta fill this up with Cappy Mania. Look at all the Cappies. Look at all of them. There's still a bunch in this box, so I don't think I can fit them all in there. Goliath's like, those are my chew toys. I'm really excited. I'm excited that you got me all these toys, Dad. We've got a full claw machine, and these are perfect because these are perfect size for this size claw. Check this out. Let's see if I can get it. Whoop, missed it. Missed it. Ooh, oh, missed it. Ooh. Oh, almost. You've been chosen. Boom. You've been chosen, Cappy. You've been chosen. You're a big winner. All right, I have these all stored in my claw machine. And now I need to figure out what the heck I'm gonna do with all these. I have so many. And so I think it'd be cool to hide these and share them on social media, or maybe give them away as like gifts for people that download the Munzee app. I just don't know. But I have so many and I don't know what to do with them. And I don't even know the expectation. Maybe Rob is gonna communicate something that he wants me to do with him. But the first thing I'm doing is I'm making this video, I put him in the claw machine, and then we gotta figure out what we're gonna do with these next. So. Hey friends, I am outside, and I am outside with one of the hundreds of Cappy the Unicorns I have. And look, I put them in a little package. I have a little card on there. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hide some of these around the Minneapolis area, maybe even beyond that. And I'm gonna post them on social media. And then I'm gonna see if people are gonna find them. And it tells all about the game Munzee on here. Let's get a closer look at what I created.
We got Cappy here. There he is, the Munzee mascot. Isn't he just cute and adorable? And I had these cards made. It says Munzee is what happens when geocaching meets Pokemon Go. And it says you found Cappy, and that is my referral code. So if you're watching this and you haven't downloaded Munzee, there's the referral code right there. So the first place I'm gonna hide a Cappy, I'm on the lake at Lake Nokomis in Minneapolis, and I'm near all the yachts and near all the boats, and I think that's a great location to hide it. As you can see, I put Cappy inside of a Ziploc so he doesn't get, you know, all wet. But let's open up my phone, let's start recording, and let's hide the very first Cappy. Hey everybody, this is Josh with Geocaching Vlogger, and today I'm going to do something a little bit different. Have you ever heard of the game Munzee? Munzee, it's another location-based game. It's kind of like when geocaching meets Pokemon Go. And this right here, this is the mascot of Munzee. His name is Cappy, and it's a little plush creature. I have a little card on here that explains Munzee. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to be hiding these Cappies all around in interesting places. And I'm going to hide the first one right here. And it is your challenge to come and find Cappy. So I'm going to show you all around where I am, all the way around, and I'm going to show you a landmark that you might know exactly where we are. So there's Cappy, and look, we got some boats, some yachts, and we've got a giant tree. So Cappy, it's time to hide. And now we're going to hide Cappy in this nice tree right there. All right, go find him. Because you've made it all the way through the video, I'm gonna tell you a little bit where I am. I'm at Lake Nokomis. There's boats right there, and Cappy is in that tree. Go find him. It is another day of Munzee. I'm at a Munzee event. It's the 14th birthday, which I think is the perfect place to hide a Cappy the Unicorn. So we're gonna do a little loop around. We're gonna get some Munzee cake, and then maybe I'll hide a Cappy. Shh, keep it secret though. I don't want people to know. It is now time to hide my second Cappy in a bag. We are in Eagan, Minnesota at the Ron Athletic Fields. You can see it behind me. And I think we'll go over there and we'll hide it somewhere near that sign. I'm in Eagan, Minnesota. I'm at Ron Athletic Field, and I'm here to hide another Cappy the Unicorn plushie. So if you're anywhere near Eagan, Minnesota, at the Ron Athletic Field, I'm going right back here. There's a little tree, and we're gonna put Cappy right over here. Ooh, this is appropriate. We got some Skittles, a rainbow next to the unicorn. Put him back here. Put him back here. Good luck. Another destination and another place to hide a Cappy. This time I am in Rochester, Minnesota, and what I've been trying to do is I've been trying to put these places where people recognize them. So this is probably the most recognizable place in Rochester, and it's because of what's right behind me. We've got a giant ear of corn water tower. It's a big piece of corn. Giant corn, perfect spot to hide Cappy. Now, I gotta get on my phone. Hello, it is now time to hide another Cappy the Unicorn, which is the mascot of Munzee, another location-based game. It's like if geocaching and Pokemon Go were like mixed together, that's Munzee. And there's cute little plushies that I'm hiding everywhere. And I am in Rochester, Minnesota. How do you know I'm in Rochester, Minnesota? Because look at that. That is a giant ear of corn water tower. And so look around, I'm right here. Oh, look, there's some bushes over there. A perfect place for Cappy, don't you think? Yeah, perfect. Ventriloquism. Yep, there we go. All right, here we go. All right, Cappy. Nice little spot for you back here. All right. All right, people, go find Cappy.